So I have to be versatile enough and really very cognizant of what's growing and what's seasonal, so that way it could be incorporated to their daily meals.
She was laid off 13 months ago. She sent out hundreds of resumes. She's volunteered. She's done seasonal work. And so it was there was a seasonal business cycle. Well, it turns out that, you know, when it's winter here, it's summer in Australia, and he's able to keep more folks on the job and, in fact, hire more people because of those sales and those opportunities.
If water is not coming down at a certain level, if seasonal rain patterns change radically, that can have an enormous impact on economic development, not just for Panama, but for the United States and for the entire region. So